Dear friends, we have really good news for you. Finally, our very popular dental series 1 Minute got second season. Short reminder, 1 Minute Dental Series is short videos about clinical tips and tricks with no water that you can use right after watching this. This time our project is dedicated to the topic of tooth preparation, and I'm pretty sure that there will be a lot of useful information for you guys. So keep in touch. 1 Minute Dental Series to enhance dental life. During this 1 minute series, I will show you hand position during preparation of frontal teeth. The process of tooth reduction has to be controlled and super smooth, and position of your hands play main role. Working hand has to have at least 3 spots of support. The hand is attached to the cheek of the patient, so that is the first support. Fingers of this hand also attached to the patient's teeth, and pay attention that I'm holding handpiece really close to working part. Left hand or non-working hand has to get also some support of patient cheek and also on patient's teeth as well. The finger of left hand will guide your right hand during preparation, and the process of tooth reduction will be super controlled and super smooth.